To think that 4 weeks later, we have all come together. You have been training rigorously to be able to accomplish this milestone, to reach your certification and reach your dream of going into the field, into broadband, and going into a line worker program.
Over the past 4 weeks, you have endured rigorous training, sharpened your technical skills, and demonstrated unwavering dedication to your craft. Your hard work, resilience, and perseverance have brought you to this moment.
To President Vasquez and the Miami-Dade College staff, we value, we appreciate your partnership, and we really believe that we're doing something here very special. We all have to have a purpose when we show up to work every single day. And that's the most important purpose, is for you and your families to prosper. I look in the partnership with Miami-Dade College as a rising sun that will shine brightly upon all of those who are looking for new opportunities. I want to say a final congratulations to all of you. We're proud of you. We look forward to having you aboard in the markets that you're going to be working on. Good luck to you, and welcome to the MasTec family.